You okay, dog? Yo, get some f***ing day, dude.
It's moving day. It's the first day of the rest of your life is what it is.
That's freaking right, dude. It's moving day. Just got here. I'm down to the shop.
You think that's heavy? Turk could lift that with one hand.
I don't believe it for a second.
So strong.
Flinging around little dumbbells like a baby.
Cowbell.
More cowbell.
More cowbell.
We're getting close to the shop being fully operational. Today we brought in all the boys to help us move the previous tenant stuff out. He wanted an extra hand, so we got the gang together and we're loading up our trucks and helping him move to his new location for him.
Sit on another shelf.
20-inch bedroom television.
Dude, that's the good stuff. That's a red button. Oh, it's the trigger.
Instructions.
Yeah.
Cocked, triggered, and locked.
Cocked, triggered, and locked. Freaking triggered.
Yeah, so this is essentially what we're adding, is the Sharpie marks. 110, 110, 110. I mean, that gives you 12 outlets. Yeah, 12 outlets between there and there. The BlackOut garage is gonna be up and running in less than a week's time. So we got some electrical going in, we got the lighting going in, we're getting power for all the equipment that we're gonna bring up.
Is it a rat's nest or what?
Yeah, it's really tough. No, I don't know.
Welcome to your new home, little fella. You're gonna be in there for a while, I have a feeling.
Action cam.
This is the most intense action you'll ever see. This is better than drifting. What the hell's in this thing? Just the last one is just like 90 freaking pounds.
Wait, no, not there. Let's put it back there.
Come on, bud.
Really, really pumped to have our own space going, and Dylan's gonna be working out of here. I'm gonna be working out of here. Turk's gonna be coming down and cranking some weights, I think, something like that. But he'll be dropping in. We're all gonna have an awesome time.